Guys, good morning. This is my 21st. This is my 21st day of English speaking challenge. So today I'm not able to speak. I don't know why, what happened to me, but I'm not able to speak properly. I'm not able to speak properly today. Yes, one thing I'm noticing into me, one thing I'm noticing on me, one thing I'm noticing over me that I'm not able to speak before the camera. Yes, and I want to improve my spoken English. And I want to improve my speaking skill. Yes, means I want to communicate with the people in English. Yes, that's why I every day come here and practice. Yes, on the camera. I think I have covered, I think 30. I have covered I think 30% of the distance. I have covered at least 30% distance of the of my English journey, of my English language, of the English language. Yes, only 70% are remaining. Only 70% are remaining, and after that, I'll become more fluent in English. Yes, I'll become more fluent in English. Yes, some of the fluency I've got. Some of the fluencies I've got. Yes, and only some parts are remaining. Only some parts are remaining. So I want myself that I want to I want myself to I want myself to become fluent in English. Yes, in a very less time. Yes, so this is my 21st day of English speaking challenge. So I'm thinking about I'm thinking about forward in the for I'm thinking about in the forthcoming days. I'm thinking about the forthcoming days. I'm thinking about the forthcoming days. Yes, means after a month or after 2 months or after 3 months or after 4 months or after 5 months or after 6 months, how much I become, how much I would become good at English. You can think of it. Yes, it's a huge data that I'm sharing to you. Yeah, it's a huge data that I'm sharing to you. Yes, means I would be become very good at English. Yes, so for that, so I need, for reaching that level, I need to work hard. I need to work hard for that. I need to work hard for that. Yes, means I can't, no, means I have to make, I have to be consistent. I have to be consistent, and I have to bring the consistency. I have to bring the consistency with my communication skill. Yes, if I want to achieve something, then I will have to work hard for that. Yes, i need to I need to read a lot. I need to read a lot, means I will have to read each and everything in English. Yes, but if I talk about reading, then I don't read anything. But in the office 2 days, but in the office till 2 days I was reading. Till 2 days, no, in those 2 days I was reading. So even today I'm thinking that I will read at least two, or at least one or two pages. Yes, and reading is very important for everyone who wants to learn English and who wants to speak English who wants to speak English clearly and clearly. Yes, clear and crispy. Yes, who wants to speak clear and crispy English, so he must try to read some books. Yes, so guys so guys so guys sometimes I don't get the points. Sometimes I don't get the sentence. That's why I take pause. That's why I take pauses. Yes, I take pause, and taking pause is very important. Yes, it is it is just like full stop. Yes, if I will try to speak little faster, then I would be making some mistakes that I never want. Yes. So guys, I also want you to learn English. I also want you to speak English like me. Like me, yes. I have started my journey, I think 8 no, I have started my journey, I think 10 years ago. Yes. but I could not be fluent. Again I'm trying. I'm trying to become fluent in English. Yes, means I I tried many more. I tried so many things to learn English, but none of the things really worked out. Okay, so right now I'm thinking that this will help me. I think this will help me a lot. I think because speaking on the camera is very difficult to everyone. Yes, and I have to become a content creator also. Right now I'm making this video so that after a few days, after a few months, after a few months, I'll be speaking very good. I'll be speaking very good in English. Yes, before the camera. Means I can open the camera anywhere and I will start talking. I will start talking on the camera without any hesitation or without any nervousness or without being nervous. Yes. So all of this will happen by practicing, by speaking to yourself daily. Yes. Right now I'm talking to myself. I'm talking to myself. I'm speaking to myself on the camera, but the mode is different. Actually on the videos it is told that if you want to speak, English, if you want to learn to speak English, then start trying to talk to yourself. Yes, start talking to yourself, start speaking to yourself. Yes, this will help you a lot. This will help you a lot, and there is no extra way to learn English. Yes, but by speaking. If you want to speak English, then try focusing on this then try focusing on this first of all. Yes, then start focusing on this part first of all. Yes, where you get the problem. So where is your weakness? So where is your weakness? You have to work on that first of all. So my weakness was speaking. So that's why I'm focusing on speaking. Yes, so I love to be speaking. I love to be speaking in English. I don't like writing, and writing and listening. Yes, I don't like these things. I don't like these things. I love to be speaking only. I love to be speaking only. So these parts. So this I love these parts the most. Yes. So this my 20 this is my 21st day of English speaking challenge, and I don't like to describe the topics. Yes, if I try to describe, my day to day life, then I'll be stuck in it. I know very well about me that where is my weakness, in which point. So at which point I'll be stuck. I know very well about me. So that's why I don't take those. I never touch that point. Just because of that only. Just because of just because of just because of fear. Yes, just because of fear, I don't touch that point. Yes. So guys, be consistent and be disciplined to your goal, and start and keep working hard every day, and there is no key to success but by hard work. Yes, means everything is possible but by hard work. And I have to tell you just one line, that is, hard work beats talent. Hard work beats talent when talent does not work hard. So I have to beat that. So I have to beat the talent by my hard work. Yes. So anything can be achieved by hard work. Yes, everything is possible. Yes, you have to change your mindset first of all. And thereafter you will become whatever you want, whatever your expectation is. Yes. So it is getting 10 minutes of my video. So now I'm gonna end up my videos. So guys, I will see you at the same time at the same place. Until you, take care. Bye.